Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you delicious and nutritious recipes to help manage diabetes. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of quinoa and exploring some creative and tasty ways to incorporate this super grain into your diet. Quinoa is not only a great source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, but it also has a low glycemic index, making it a perfect option for those with diabetes. Before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about why quinoa is such a fantastic option for those managing diabetes. Quinoa is a complex carbohydrate that is digested slowly, leading to a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This is essential for keeping blood sugar levels stable throughout the day, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. Additionally, quinoa is packed with fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. And let's not forget about the protein content in quinoa, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Overall, quinoa is a powerhouse ingredient for managing diabetes. Recipe 1. Quinoa salad with roasted vegetables. First up, we have a refreshing and colorful quinoa salad with roasted vegetables. Start by cooking 1 cup of quinoa according to package instructions. Meanwhile, chop up your favorite vegetables. We recommend bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. Toss the veggies with olive oil, salt and pepper, and roast them in the oven until tender and caramelized. Once the quinoa is cooked and the veggies are roasted, combine them in a large bowl and dress with a simple vinaigrette made from lemon juice, olive oil, and Dijon mustard. This salad is not only bursting with flavor, but also packed with nutrients to help you manage your diabetes. Recipe 2. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Next on the menu is quinoa stuffed bell peppers, a hearty and satisfying dish that's perfect for a weeknight dinner. Start by cutting the tops off of bell peppers and removing the seeds and membranes. In a skillet, sauté onions, garlic, and your favorite veggies until softened. Add cooked quinoa, canned black beans, and Mexican spices to the skillet and stir to combine. Fill the bell peppers with the quinoa mixture and bake them in the oven until the peppers are tender. Top with fresh cilantro and a dollop of Greek yogurt for a creamy finish. These stuffed bell peppers are not only delicious, but also a great source of fiber and protein to help manage blood sugar levels. Recipe 3. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Who says quinoa is just for lunch and dinner? Our quinoa breakfast bowl is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. Cook 1 cup of quinoa with almond milk and a dash of cinnamon until fluffy and creamy. Top the quinoa with fresh berries, sliced almonds, and a drizzle of honey for a sweet and satisfying breakfast. This bowl is not only a great source of complex carbohydrates and protein to fuel your morning, but also a delicious way to enjoy quinoa in a different way. Start your day off right with this tasty breakfast bowl. And there you have it. 3 delicious and nutritious quinoa recipes to help manage diabetes and keep your blood sugar levels in check. Quinoa is a versatile and nutrient-dense ingredient that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, from salads to stuffed peppers to breakfast bowls. We hope you give these recipes a try and discover the many benefits of including quinoa in your diabetes-friendly diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more diabetes-friendly recipes. Happy cooking!